In this media, you will learn about applications of ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensors are used in various applications. Let us see some of the applications. Level measurement. In level measurement application, the transmitter and receiver are placed at the bottom of the tank. The transmitter transmits a pulse of ultrasonic wave through the liquid medium. Part of the wave is reflected by the top surface of the liquid. Part of the wave penetrates through air and reflected by the top of the tank. Receiver receives all the reflected waves. The time difference between first transmitted pulse and first reflected pulse is measured. This time difference is the travel time of the wave. By using above formula, the water level in the tank can be measured. Crack detection. Ultrasonic sensor is also used for crack detection in manufacturing industries. Here, the transmitter transmits a pulse of ultrasonic wave through the manufactured products. If any crack is present in the product, the crack or gap acts as the second medium. So, part of the wave is reflected by the crack. By measuring the time difference between first transmitting pulse and reflected pulse, the location of the defect can be detected. Object detection. In object detection process, the transmitter and receiver are placed in preset places. When an object is passing between transmitter and receiver, it affects the amount of wave received by receiver. By connecting a counter circuit with this system, the number of objects passed through the way can be counted. Flow measurement. Doppler ultrasonic flow meter is used to measure the flow of liquid in a pipe. This flow meter operates based on Doppler effect. While a wave is transmitted through a liquid, the transmitted wave frequency is altered by particles in the liquid. The frequency variation is linearly proportional to rate of flow of liquid in the pipe. By measuring the frequency variation by an appropriate converter, the rate of flow of liquid can be measured. Various methods of flow measurements using ultrasonic flow meter are shown here. Biomedical application. In medical ultrasonography, ultrasonic transducer is used to take pictures of different inner parts of the human body. Here, ultrasonic sensor probe consists of an array of ultrasonic transmitter and receiver piezoelectric crystals. While placing the probe on the human body, it transmits high-frequency 1 to 5 MHz ultrasonic waves into the body. Some quantity of the waves is reflected by boundary of tissues. Some quantity of the waves penetrates through the tissues and reflected by another boundary of tissues. Receiver crystals on the probe receive all reflected waves and send the corresponding electrical signals to CPU. CPU calculates the distances from probe to boundaries of tissues and displays the corresponding two-dimensional images in display. Now you have learnt about applications of ultrasonic sensor.